So today I am going to be sharing with you my at-home manicure routine, what I do to prep my nails to achieve the perfect at-home manicure that looks and lasts like gel, but there is no curing, no crazy products. Such a simple routine that I swear by and have used the same routine for years and years. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a very requested video that I don't know why I haven't filmed in forever, but it is my nail routine at home, my manicure, how I do my nails, products that I use, the steps that I take. I've done my nails at home for as long as I can remember. My mom and I have always loved doing our nails together, so it's a special moment for me whenever I paint my nails to think about the skill that my mom taught me that I will have forever the rest of my life, and that's really special to me because I did lose my mom. So I absolutely love painting my nails. There's something super therapeutic about it and just fun, and I love when someone asks me where I get them done or is it gel or whatever, because no, it's not gel, it's just your standard basic manicure, but the tips and the tricks and the products that I use make it last over a week. So I am so excited to share with you my routine and the products that I absolutely love. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump in. All right, so I start with cutting down my nails. I prefer a short length. Personally, I think it helps with the longevity of the polish as well as any chipping concerns. So I go ahead and take my clippers. These are just a random pair. I do really like that it has that bottom casing that catches most of the fingernails. But I go ahead and shape them into a round, pretty cut down length. And then after I'm done cutting them, I go ahead and shape them. So this is where you can decide whatever shape you would like. Personally, I think that round nails are the best for my hand shape. As well as if I use square, I find that I just get more chipping. So I find that the round shape works best for me. So I go ahead and just kind of clean up any of the sharp edges that could have been created from the clippers. So once I'm done with shaping the nails, I go ahead and prep my cuticles. So this is a cuticle cream that I've been using for years and years. I go ahead and place a dot on each finger and then massage it together and let it sit for a couple seconds before I go ahead and push them back. So this is the tool that I prefer to use with pushing back my cuticles. I like that it has a round edge, so I go ahead and use that to push back my cuticles. I don't do this every single time I do my nails, but the majority of the times I do. My cuticles tend to grow really fast and grow onto my nails, so I like to push them back. It just helps me get a clean line for my nail polish and just helps it go right up to the top. So that's what I do, push them back for each hand. This also helps with preventing hangnails because I do have hangnail prone hands. So once I'm done with that, I take a buffing cube. I do this for two reasons. First, to get any remainder cuticle that's on my nail off. I also like to smooth out my nails and give it a little bit of a rough surface so that the nail color actually grips onto the nail. This is so important for me, but you want to be gentle and not do too much because you can affect the nails. Then I go ahead and trim my cuticles. Again, I don't do this every single time, but if my nails are looking a little unruly, I'll go ahead and clip any of that dead skin that might be still lingering after the buffing block from the cuticle cream. So I go ahead and just trim those up. You want to be very careful to only clip the dead skin so you don't bleed. Then I go ahead and apply my base coat. I've been using this for a while and I absolutely love this one. So I start in the middle of the nail, then bring it up to the top, then go to one side and then to the other side. I do think that base coat is extremely important for making sure that your nails don't turn yellow if you're using a darker color, but also just to help your nail polish grip onto the nails and stay longer. And I know I'm very shaky when I do my nails, so no need to reply in the comments and say how shaky I am. That's just how I am when I focus. So sorry about that if it's distracting, but I still felt that's important to share. So I went ahead and applied to both hands. This base coat dries super fast, which I like. And I feel like it's a good base coat for making sure that my nail polish stays. I do notice a difference. Then I go ahead and apply my favorite nail color. I apply 2 coats of this polish. This is the OPI Let's Be Friends, which is my favorite white pinky nude. So again, I get a big dollop on one side, start in the middle, work my way up to the top of the cuticle, then go on one side,
until I'm good with that, and then to the other side. This is the technique that I find works the best for me. Is if I put the nail color right up at the top of my cuticle, I find that it will run into my cuticles. So I alleviate that by starting in the middle of my nail. So go ahead and put your first dollop in the middle, bring it up to the top, go on to one side to swipe for a clean finish, and then on the other side for a clean finish. Now this nail polish was drying out a little bit, so typically I wouldn't have to go over that many times with that many strokes, but for this I had to be a little more finicky with it because it is drying out. But if you have a brand new polish, you probably only need to do 3 stripes on the nail. So go ahead and do the next nail. Again, same technique with my shaky hands, but that's just how it was made. So anyways, go ahead and continue with the first coat of polish. Let that completely dry, and then we are ready for our second coat of polish. Again, it's super important that a cream color specifically dries completely so you don't end up getting streaks. So go ahead and apply the same color another time. And then once that has completely dried, I go ahead and apply my top coat. I swear by Seche Vite top coat, I've used a million, but this is my favorite. I go back to it over and over again. Again, use that same technique as the nail color, but with this, you'll see once I am done applying it to the nail, I go ahead and swipe it along the edge of the nail so that way it just kind of seals in, and I feel like again helps with the shrinking of the polish if that ever happens, but also just helps make sure that my edges of my nail are a little more secure and sealed so it lasts longer. So again, I feel like this top coat is amazing at blending any cream colors that could have streaks. And it just helps with the super shininess as well as the longevity of the polish. This polish will last me about 7 to 10 days. I only do 1 coat of the top coat, but I make sure that I do a really thick coat. It helps just make sure that it looks really like thick and almost gel-like, but also make sure it lasts a really long time. So that is my finished manicure at home. I go ahead and apply a little bit of a cuticle oil, and yeah, I absolutely love this. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my at-home manicure routine.
All right, you guys, so I hope you found it helpful. If you're curious to know where anything is from or what brand I use, I will link all the products down below so you guys can easily access them or see what I use. I absolutely love these products and stand by them, and I've used them for years and years. Like I said, I've done my own at-home manicures for probably 20 years, no lie, and these are the products that have stood by me, and I absolutely love them. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, it helps me by giving this video a thumbs up. It lets me know you want to see more routine beauty style videos like this. And yeah, I hope you guys found this helpful, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!